Okay, question number 1. Negative 4x plus 6y is equal 20. X plus y is equal 10. Okay, it says fill the blank. This is a symbol for system of equation. So fill the blank to correctly complete the sentence. So which means it's giving us the value of x is 4. We need to find out the value of y. Just like in graphing system, first number count represented by x, second one is represented by y. X, here is y. So let's figure it out how much it's gonna be if I plug the y. So if it's 4, let's take first one. I'm going to put negative 4 times 4 plus 6y is equal 20. So 6y is equals, here we have negative 16, moving on this side will be positive 16 plus 20. 6y is equal 36, y is equal 6. There we go. So x is 4, y is 6. Now this x is 4, y is 6 has to match to, has to fit to the second one also. So look, x is 4 plus y is 6, it's equal 10. So it is true. Question number 2. Seven x plus 5y is equal negative 27. Negative x plus y is equal 9. So this one will need to solve, and we need to solve with method of substitution. So method of substitution is that we need to find x or y from any of these equations and then plug it in the other one. So I'm taking, let's say, y from this equation because it's easy. There is no coefficient. Negative x plus 5, y is equal 9. So y from here is equal 9 plus x. Yes? And once I have it, I have to plug in the other equation, which is going to be 7x plus 5 times, instead of y, I'm plugging 9 plus x. Now I'm plugging to this one. Okay? So, and that is equal negative 27. Okay, so let's open parentheses. 7x plus 5y, 5, and plus 5x is equal negative 27. So 7x and 5x is going to be 12x. Moving on the other side, negative 27 and negative 45. And we are getting 7 plus 5, it's going to be 12. 1 in mind. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 is 72, and sign is negative. Okay? Okay. So, dividing by 12, and we are getting x is equal negative 6. So this is gone, this is 1, this is 6. So this is x. Once we have x, it's easy to find y. For y, what we're going to do, let's say from this second one, let me see. From this second one, I need to find y is equal 9 plus x, yes? which means y is equal 9 minus 6. I'm plugging this negative 6. Yes? So it's y is equal 3, which means the answer is going to be x is first, negative 6, y is second, it's 3. All right? Okay. Question number 3. Again, substitution. Question number 3. We have 5x plus y is equal 7. And the other one, y is equal to x. Okay, so we have y is equal to x. Let's say with method of substitution. So let's take this y is equal to x and plug in the y in the first equation. So we have 5x plus 2x, instead of y, I'm plugging 2x. It's equal 7. So basically this 2x, I am plugging to this y. So 7x is equal 7, x is equal 1. All right, let's find out y. So since y is equal to x, so 2 times 1 is equal to. So the answer is x first, 1, y second, 2. Second one, number 4. 6x plus 6y is equal 18. Negative 7x plus y is equal 19. Okay? So, we are using method of substitution. Okay, method of substitution. So from the second one, this one, I'm finding y is equal 19 plus 7x. And this y plugging to 6y value. It's going to be 6x plus 6 times 19 plus 7x, plugging the value of x, and that is equal 18. Let's open parentheses. 6x plus 6 times 19. 6 times 9 is 54, 5 in mind. 6 times 1 is 6, and 5, 11. 114. And plus 6 times 7, 42x equal 18. All right, 6x and 42x, it's going to be 48x is equal negative 114 plus 18. 48x, it's going to be equal 14 minus 8 is going to be 6, and then borrowing here, 10 minus 1 is 9, and that's it, negative 96. So dividing by 48, this is gone, and this is 1, this is 2. And the answer is x is equal negative 2. So let's plug negative 2 value of x into second one here. Okay, let me clean it so you can see. Into this second one. So the value of x is going to be equal 7 times negative 2 plus y is equal 19. So negative 14 plus y is equal 19, and y is equal 19 plus 14. So y is equal 33. Let me check here something I don't like. Negative 7. Yeah, I thought it's getting something wrong. It's too much of y. Okay, then we are going to get positive, right? Okay, so this one also, it's going to be minus. And y is equal 5. Now it looks like true. So the answer is going to be x is negative 2, y is 5. Let me change the color of answer everywhere so we can see which one is the answer. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, this is, we need to plug in, we need to find this one, value of y. Okay, so we solved question number 4, moving to question number 5. What do we have? Negative 2x equal 6y plus 16. Okay, negative 32 is equal 5y minus 3x. Okay. This is question number 5. So let's see, we are going to solve again with system of substitution. In this case, let me see what I'm going to do. I'm going to, this time I want to work with this negative 2x. Okay? So let's see. Negative 2x is equal 6y plus 16. So which means x, it's going to be equal divided by negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. Why did I pick first one and not the second one? Because if I would try to figure out x from here or y, look at these numbers, 5 and 3. So either I had to divide by 5 or I had to divide by 3, which I would end up with fraction. But from the first one, it's easy. So everything is divisible by 2, right? Okay, so this is gone. Now this is going to be 1 and here is 3. And this one is 1, this is 8. So we get x is equal negative 3, because here we have negative, right? And then minus 8, the same way, negative sign surviving. Negative 3y minus 8. Okay, now let's plug to the second equation, to this one. So we have negative 32 equal 5y minus 3 times negative 3y minus 8. So instead of x, I plug negative 3y minus x. Okay. Plus 9y plus 24. So negative 32 is equal 5 plus 9 is 14y plus 24. So 14y is equal negative 32 minus 24. So negative 32 minus 24 equal 56. Negative 56 equal 14y. So we need to divide by how much? By 14, right? 14 here, 14 here. And the answer is going to be y is going to be negative, y is going to be 4. Let me double check here. One more time. Let me go over one more time. So plus 9y plus 24, because sometimes I also do forget to put a positive sign or negative, I overlook. So let me check. So negative 2x equals 6y, so it's negative 3y. Okay, all right, this is good. Next, negative 32 equal 5 times negative 3 times, negative 3y minus 8. Okay, negative 32 is equal 5y plus 9y and plus 24. Okay, this is good. Negative 32 is equal 14y. Okay, 24 minus negative 56. Okay, y is equal negative 4. So all is good. All right. So y is equal negative 4. Now we need to plug this negative 2 into x. Here we have x. Okay. So let's plug here. And we have x is equal negative 3 times negative 4 and minus 8, which is going to be x is equal 12 minus 8, x is equal 4, which means solution is going to be negative, x is positive 4. See, I was trying to put y first. No, I just thought my x was negative, that's why. Okay, positive 4, comma, negative 4. To remind you, first come positive, first come x, and then comes y. Okay, question number 6. Free y equal 2x plus 21. X plus y is equal 7. Okay, this is question number 6. So, well, which one we can take? It's clear that it's easy to work with the second one because we have x plus y, right? So which one to take, x or y? Well, let's take x. So x is here equal, and we need to do with substitution. So x is equal 7 minus y. Let's plug into x in the first one. So 3y is equal 2 times 7 minus y plus 21. So 3y equal 14 minus 2y plus 21. Okay, so what do we get from here? We get 3y plus 2y equal 14 plus 21. So, and we get 5y equal 14 plus 21, it's going to be 35. And y from here equals 7. Yes? Once we have y is equal 7, it's easy to find our x. Here it is. So our x is equal 7 minus 7 is equal 0. All right. It's also can happen, something like that. So, therefore, the answer is going to be 0 and 7. Question number 7. Nine x minus y is equal 53. X plus 4y is equal 10. Okay. So, method of elimination. The method of elimination is the eliminating one of the variable, be it x or y, so we can find the other variable, and then again plug back and get the first variable. Let me show you how we're gonna do it. All right. So I have to bring both equations to the level, so when I add them, I have to, it will be cancelled, will disappear. So what am I seeing here? I have here negative y, I have here positive 4y. So if I multiply negative y by 4, I will get negative 4y, correct? And later when I add them, negative 4y plus 4y will be cancelled, correct? So let's do it. So, negative x minus y is equal 53. X plus 4y is equal 10. So multiplying this by 4, and what does that mean? I have to multiply every single term. I can't multiply only one term. Okay? So as a result, we are getting 36 minus 4y equal 4 times 53. So 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 5 is 20, and 1 in mine, 21. Okay. So x plus 4y is equal 10. When I add them, see, that's what I meant. This is gone. So we have to deal here only with x. So it's going to be 37x, 36 plus 1, 37. And if I add this, 222. 222. So once we divide by 37, each one of them, how much it's going to be? 222 divided by 37, it's going to be 6 times. So x is equal 6. Okay, so y from here, where is my y? Where I want to plug? I'm going to plug to this one. So I'm on x, hold on. I'm plugging to x, so I would plug to this one because it's only one x there, so it's easier. So it's going to be 6 plus 4y is equal 10. 4y is equal 10 minus 6. 4y is equal 4, y is equal 1. So the answer is 6 and 1. Okay. Question number 8. So 4x minus 2y is equal 42. 5x plus 7y is equal 24. We're going to solve with method of elimination. So I'm going to eliminate y. Here is multiplying by 7, here multiplying by 2. And I'm getting 7 times 4x, 28x minus 14y equal 7 times 2 is 14, 28, 29. Okay, so this is the first one. Second equation, I'm going to multiply by 2. So it's going to be 10x plus 14y is equal 48. So when I add, this is going away, I'm getting 38x is equal 12, 13, 14, 2, and 3. Okay, so what is going to be next step? We are going to divide by 38. This is 1 and this is going to be 9. Okay, so from here, x is equal 9. So once we have x that is equal 9, we need to find y. So it's going to be 4x. I'm going to work with this first one. So it's going to be 4x, 4 times 9, minus 2y is equal 42. Okay, so negative 2y is equal 42 minus 36. This 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, negative 2y is equal 42 minus 36 is 6. And dividing by negative 2, y is equal negative 3. So this is the answer, 9 and negative 3. Question number 9. Three x plus 7y is equal 1. 9x minus 4y is equal 53. And we are using again method of elimination. So I have positive 7y and I have negative 4y and I have 3x and 9x. Well, if I try to eliminate x, then I have to multiply only first equation by negative 3. But if I try to eliminate y, I have to multiply both of them, 1 by 4, 1 by 7. Let's do first one. We go easy way. So 3x plus 7y is equal 1. 9x minus 4y is equal 53. Multiply by negative 3 here. Okay. So what we're going to get here? Negative 9x minus 21y is equal negative 3. And 9x minus 4y is equal 53. So if I add, this is gone. Here I have negative 25y, and here it's going to be 53 minus 3 is 50. So y will be equal negative 2, right? Okay, let's plug to x. Which one? Let's plug to first one. Okay, plug to first one. Let's see what we get. So 3x plus 7 times negative 2 is equal 1. So 3x minus 14 equal 1. 3x is equal 1 plus 14. 3x is equal 15. And x is equal 5. Okay. So from here, our solution is 5, negative 2. So this was number 9. Let's do number 10. Five x minus 9x, 9y, minus 27 equals 0. 9x plus 5y minus 91 equals 0. All right, so what do we get from here? We are going to do elimination. So 5x minus 9y is equal positive 27. 9x plus 5y is equal positive 91. Okay, let's see. Well, both sides are, we have 9 and 5. So I'm going to work with y because I don't have to multiply by negative because we have already negative positive. So 9y, negative 9y multiplied by 5, 5y multiplied by 9. And result we get 5 times 5x, 5 times 9, negative 9y, 5 times 27. So it's going to be 25x, 5 times negative 9y, it's going to be negative 45y. And 5 times 27, 5 times 7 is 35. 3 in mind, 5 times 2, 10, and 335. Let me write down second one. 81x plus 45y, and 9 times 91 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. When we add this up, this is gone. Here we are getting 106x. Okay, here we are getting 5 times 9 is 14. 1 in mind. 3 plus 1, 4, and 1 we have 5. And 1 plus 8 is 954. So let's see, 954. Can I divide by 106 and get whole number? Yes, it's getting 9. So we divide by 106. And this is going to be 9. See, I just said 9 and put 6. So x is equal 9. Let's plug now x to original problem. Which one? Well, I'm plugging to first one. So it's going to be 5 times 9 minus 9y is equal positive 27. Now from here, 45 minus 9y is equal 27. Negative 9y is equal negative 45 plus 27. Negative 9,1 is equal negative 15 minus 7, 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. So y is equal positive 2. So the answer is 9 and 2. Question number 11. Okay, solving with method of elimination. So we have 5x over 2 plus 5y over 3 equal 145 over 6. Second one is x over 4 plus y over 3 equal 31 over 12. Okay. So we need to get rid of denominator. Whoever doesn't know how to solve equation with fraction, you can open playlist basic math and find there solving equations with fractions, or I can put at the end of the screen. Alright, so we need to get rid of this denominator, which means bring two common denominators. So we have 2, 3, 6. Common denominator is going to be 6, right? Okay, so 2, I have to multiply by 3 to get 6. So the thing is, whatever change I do to denominator, I have to do the same change to numerator. Next, I have 3, need to multiply by 2 to get 6, which means here also multiply by 2. In this one, we have 6, so we don't touch it. Now, second one, 4, 3, 12. Denominator is going to be 12, right? Therefore, 4, I am multiplying by 3. 3 multiplying by 4. And 12 I don't touch because we have it already. So, what I'm going to do, since denominators are the same across, so 6, first one, I have 6 times, the 3 times 2 is 6 and 6. So when denominator across the equation is the same, I can drop that denominator and keep only numerator. So which means I will have here 15x plus 5y times 2, it's 10y, and that is equal 145. The same thing here, because I have 12 across the equation, so I can drop this denominator and I will get 3x plus 4y equal 31. All right. So we multiply by negative 3, 15x and 3x. I'm bringing to, actually, hold on, 15x and 3x. All I have to do here, multiply by negative 5 this 3x, and I will get negative 15x. And on the top here I already have 15. Hold on. See, here I have 15x. So if I multiply negative 5 by 3, I will get negative 15x, which means I don't have to touch the first equation. So I'm multiplying only second one. And this we are going to get 15x plus 10y is equal 145. Now here, negative 15x, negative 5 times 4y, it's going to be negative 20y. And negative 5 times 31, it's going to be negative 155. Okay. So once we add, we're getting negative 10y is equal, how much is going to be, so it's going to be negative 10. And y is going to be equal positive 1, right? Okay. So now once we have y, I can plug either this one or this one. I don't have to plug in the original one. So I'm plugging the second one. 3x plus 4y equal 31, because numbers are smaller. So what do I get? 3x plus 4 times 1 equals 31. 3x is equal 31 minus 4. 3x is equal 27. X is equal 9. Okay, so the answer is going to be our x is 9, y is 1. Question number 12. Another fraction, 7x minus 1 over 5 plus y plus 4 over 6 equal negative 22. And here we have x plus 1 over 4 minus x minus y over 5, and this is equal 1. We need to bring to common denominator. Since we have negative 22, that means I can put here 1, right? Okay, so let's bring to common denominator. So first equation, denominator 5 and 6. So it's going to be 30, right? So I have to multiply this by 6. Same thing here, all 6. Since I have here 6, multiply by 5 to get 30. Here also multiply by 5. Here denominator is 1, so I have to multiply by all 30, which means here also multiplying by 30. Okay, second one, 4 and 5, denominator is going to be 20 times 5 times 5 times 4. Here also multiplying by 4, and 1 here it's going to be denominator 1, which means multiply by entire 20, and here is 20. So what do we have? 30, 30, 30, dropping. 20, 20, 20, dropping. Let me move this here. I didn't mean to on the original problem to do all these changes. And real quick, I'll just rewrite the new one, original one, so it will stay there. 7x minus 1 over 5 plus y plus 4 over 6. That is equal negative 22. And then x plus 1 over 4 minus x minus 1 minus y over 5, and that's equal 1. Okay. So once we drop the denominator, we have 7x minus 1 times 6 plus y plus 4 times 5. It's equal negative 22 times 30. It's negative 660. Second, x plus 1 times 5 minus x minus y times 4. It's equal 20. Okay, next step, we are going to distribute multiplication, right? So 7x times 6, 42x minus 6, and then plus 5y plus 20. Here I am distributing, see? And it's equal negative 660. And the second one, 5x plus 5 minus, so we have 4 times x, 4x, and minus 4y. Here it is. Why I keep it in parentheses? Because we have negative sign in front, right? It's equal 20. Okay, let me open it. So what it's gonna get? 42x minus 6. Let's combine these two like terms here, huh? Would be better. So 42x plus 5y plus 14 equal negative 660. 20 minus 6, 14. Next one, 5x plus 5 minus, since I have negative sign, once I open parentheses, I'm flipping sign, minus 4x, and then plus 4y equal 20. Okay. I'll move it here. So let's simplify here. 42x plus 5y is equal, so moving here, 660 at plus 14, because once I move, it's going to be negative 14, right? So it's going to be 4, 7, and 6, negative 674. So once I move on this side, it's going to be negative 14, yes? Okay, next 674. Oops. Okay. Next, this one, second one, combining 5x with minus 4x, it's going to be only x plus 4y. Moving this 5 on this side, going to be negative 5. So 20 minus 5 is going to be equal 15. All right, so let's see. I'm going to use method either substitution or, no, it says elimination. So we need to do elimination. Let's use elimination then. What do we have? We have 42x and x, 5y, 4y. I'm going to multiply by negative 42 to eliminate x. Okay, so I'm going to get, first one will stay the same, 42x plus 5y equal negative 674. So it's going to be negative 42x minus 42 times 4. It's going to be 168, 168y. If you are interested to know how to do multiplication, go to basic math and you will find there multiplication of whole numbers. y is equal now 42 times 15. So it's going to be negative because it's negative. Let's multiply. 5 times 2 is 10, 1 in mind. 5 times 4 is 20, and 1, 21. Okay, next, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 4 is 4. So we are getting 0, 3, 6, negative 630. 630, yes. Let me clean this. All right, so what do we get? This is gone. So 168 minus 5, it's going to be 163, and it's going to be negative y. So 674, both of them negative. That means we need to add them, 630. So it's going to be 4, 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 in mind, 6 plus 6 is 12, and 1, 13. 1304. Okay, divided by 163. Let me use different color. There we go. 163. How much we get? 1304 divided by 163. It's gonna be 8 times, huh? Yes. Let me do here. 1304 divided by 163. 8 times. 8 times 3, 24. 2 in mind. 8 times 6, 48, and 2, 50. So 5 in mind. And 8 times 1 is 8, and 5, 13. So remainder is 0. Okay. So it's going to be negative y is equal negative 8. From here, y is equal positive 8. Okay. Now let's plug this y is equal positive 8 to any of these equations. I'm plugging to this one, simplified one, because it's the same original one, just in the simplified format. So we're going to get negative 42x plus 4 times 8. Y is 8 and equal 15. So what do we get? Negative 42x is equal 15 minus 32, right? 42x is equal, because this is 32. Once you move on the other side, get negative 32. So it's going to be negative 17 Jesus Christ. Yeah, it shouldn't be 42. Hold on. It should be only x. I have enough. So many problems. Okay, x. I can hear now. You can say, well, welcome to our life now. So, okay. Once I clean this, yeah, there is no 42. I'll show you. I was plugging to this one, and I looked at negative 42 and multiplied. So, okay, we are good. We fixed it. We get x is equal negative 17. All right, so the solution is x is negative 17 and y is 8. Okay, I have 2 more problems to solve and I will be done. So question number 13. What do we have? 56x minus 8y equal 48. Negative 7x plus y equal 6. Okay. So What do we get here? Let me see. I'm going to multiply the second one by 8 because on the top I have first equation I have negative 8y. So once I multiply on the second one I will get positive 8y. Okay, 56x minus 8y is equal 48. Now here 8 times negative 7x, it's going to be negative 56x. 8 times y, it's going to be plus 8y. And 8 times 6 is going to be 48. Okay. Once I add it, this is going to gone. This is going to gone. And here we get 96. So I'm getting 0 is equal 96, which is the biggest nonsense you can hear. So if you can prove that 0 equal 96, you will be next Nobel Prize winner. But for now, 0 does not equal 96, which means it's an empty set, no solution. No solution. So we have empty set. And question number 14. We have 3x minus 4y equal 1 and negative 6x plus 8y is equal negative 2. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do with this one. We are going to, let me see. I have 3x, y at the negative 6x. So I can multiply 3x by 2, right? 3x minus 4y is equal 1. Negative 6x plus 8y is equal negative 2. And multiplying here by 2. So I get positive 6x and negative 6x. So this will be 6x minus 8y, because I am distributing, right, by every single term. Minus 8y is equal to negative 6x plus 8y is equal negative 2. Now, what do we get this time? This is gone, this is gone, this is gone, and we are getting 0 is equal 0, which means you can have any x and any y, because at the end, both of them are going to disappear and we'll get 0 equals 0, which means the system of equation has infinite many solutions. Infinite many solutions. Okay? And this is our answer. Okay, I'm done. So this is gonna be 14 questions, and I wish you good luck with this work. Thank you for watching.